Hey guys, it's Megan again. I am doing another resin pour today, and I'm gonna do another let's talk through this video. Because I'm hoping that it'll help some of you guys out if you are resin crafters or whatever and whatnot, or some of you just prefer the talking to the sped up with music, so we're gonna do that today. This is gonna be a twist though on the usual Geode coasters, because I saw Steve McDonald, I think it's McDonald, I will link his video down below. He used Epsom salts in his Geode coasters. He used that in the center and it looked like little crystals. So I really wanted to try that. This one has activated charcoal in it, so it's got little, like, let me show you. It's kind of got these little black bits in it. I don't know if you can see that very well. Sorry, camera's not focusing. You can kind of see it down in there. So I don't know how that's going to look, but basically I just put some Epsom salts in the cup with some resin, mixed it up, and this is going to go into the center of the coaster. The majority of the coaster is going to be this beautiful black, silver, gray, I don't know. It's supposed to be black, but it looks mostly silver and gray to me. But we shall see how it turns out. And then I'm also lacing in some of this beautiful gold into it. Why does my camera not want to focus? Focus, camera. Focus. There we go. So that's what we're going to do. I have my gloves on. I always wear a respirator because Lord knows resin is not good for you to inhale in your lungs. So I'm going to get started on doing this. I'm going to speed this part up with some music and I will be back. Alright, so everything is poured. I have the 4 coasters here with the gold and black veining. I don't like wasting resin because resin is very expensive, so I always keep little molds on hand that I can fill up just to, you know, use it up and have something else pretty to look at. So we will have a bonus, pop that little bubble, get out of there. We will have a bonus demolding tomorrow as well. So with that being said, I am going to clean up my mess, cover these up so that they don't get dust in them, and I will see you guys in about 2 seconds. Alright. Alright guys, so it's actually been about 3 days. I've been super busy. We're getting ready to leave on vacation, so I haven't been down here to finish these off. Now, here's the thing. These look incredible. I'm trying to find, there we go. They look really, really cool. Let me see if I, oh, there you go. So the one thing that I did not do that was kind of stupid on my part is that I didn't push the Epsom salts down so that they were flat. And my original reason for that was because I was going to add more of the black and gold to it so that this would still, like, you'd still be able to see the crystals on either side, I'm hoping. I don't want to take these out because if you take them out and then pour resin on top of them after you put them back in, a lot of times the resin will leak under and it'll make a mess and it's just freaking terrible looking. So anyway, I think what I'm going to do instead of pouring more black and gold is do a clear layer over top, just tall enough to clear these mounds. Now this one is very tall. Yeah, you can totally see how tall that is. So I may have to like shave off like this nubbin that wants to stick up right there. Or I think if I pour the resin to the top, I think I should actually be able to get a good, what do I have that's, here we go. Let's see. Okay. So that is touching the top of this nubbin. So I may end up just taking some sandpaper or something, sanding that down just a little bit, and then filling, yeah, I think I'm gonna fill all of these up with clear. It's not gonna look nearly as good as I want it to. But we shall try. These are also clear, so we will unmold those as well later. So I'm going to put my mask on and mix up my resin, get all of that going, and then I'm going to put you on a fast forward mode with a little bit of light music, and then I'll come back after I'm finished pouring. Okay, sounds good. See you then. Okay guys, so these are topped off. I topped them off completely. I sandpapered this one, I think. Yeah, this one. So that when I put the popsicle stick over it, it wasn't anywhere near touching the bottom of the popsicle stick, so hopefully that works. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to transfer these to another board so that I can put them away so that I have room on my desk for my next project, because I currently have some more resin ready for another project for another video. So anyway, after that I will come back to you guys hopefully tomorrow to unmold these, because we're leaving for vacation on Sunday and today is Friday, so hopefully I can get all that done. Anyway, so stay tuned for that. I will see you right now. Okay guys, welcome back. We are ready to unmold these coasters. Stop. That I used my Epsom salts in. Hopefully they turned out okay. We shall see. So we'll take this out. Oh, that's interesting. It's kind of weird. But I do like the way that the Epsom salts make it look like crystals in the middle right there. Not so sure about that gold. We gotta figure that out. But the top is really pretty. Hopefully we can get it to focus. There we go. So I did have to do quite a thick layer of clear, as you can see, to cover up those crystals. That's just because I didn't make them flatter when I first poured. So, you know, good lesson. So we're gonna go ahead and unmold the other three real quick. We still got the gold splotches on this one as well. It's kind of weird. I don't know. I don't know if I like it. It almost reminds me of like craters on a moon or something. It does have a really cool 3D effect on camera. So there's the front side. Very cool. Okay, there's the back. Again, kind of weird. There's the front. And the last one. We will unmold. Alright, there's the back. Yeah, I really don't like that gold. I don't know why it did that. Oh well. So we'll use this as the front then, huh? Kind of cool looking. Very 3D. Okay, so there's those coasters. So we'll put those there. And then our bonus pour. Wow, that's really bright on camera. Oh, there we go. Maybe I have too much light on. Okay. So let's see. Very pretty. Let's see how I can get. It's very, very shiny. Very glittery. These ones are a pain in the butt to get out. There we go. Wow, look at that. That's gorgeous. Gorgeous, I tell you. Okay. Focus. Thank you. And the last one. It's this one. Very nice, very pretty. So, I'm going to say the Epsom salts were a good idea. Zoom you in. They were a pretty good idea. I'm not sure about the gold in it. I really wish the bottoms were prettier, but, and they're also hella thick. Let me grab a ruler. I want to see how thick this is. Might help if I hold it correctly. So this is a 1/2 inch thick, which is, those of you who know math are pretty good at it, 1 centimeter thick. So that's crazy. That's crazy thick, like me. All right, guys. So that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please check out my other resin videos. Like, subscribe, all that jazz. I don't ever say that, so I figured I'd say it this time. All right. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye.